This one. Can we make a decision, please? We've been here for too long.
Macan dalam darah.
Seven boxes done. Let's see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey guys, it's moving day. I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to come pick me up. He's just gonna park right there. Hi, can I get a hot mocha? Thank you.
Oh, wait, I'll hold that in a second.
Are you not cold? What is this?
It's a ham and cheese pocket. It's an Australian delicacy.
I mean, obviously, because I've never heard of it before. It looks like a pancake.
Thank you for the pocket.
It's pretty good. I'm just waiting here in front of the car park right now for the movers. They're gonna help us move the furniture, most of the furniture, like the bed frame, sofa, and the tables. But the rest of the stuff, like the boxes and stuff, we're gonna move it by ourselves. So I'm like panting because I was running. I'll update you guys. Bye. This is how it's looking right now. Oh my gosh. Just the bed frame left. Only 1 p.m. and right now I'm just waiting for the movers dismantling my bed frame, and then I think we're good to go. So after this we're gonna go back to my new place, and then we're gonna eat some lunch. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll bring you guys along.
I said it can. She said it can't. So
If it doesn't fit, we're gonna have to put it back upstairs.
why are you much over there? But
He's trying so hard to prove me wrong. Okay. Careful, that is my... Okay, moment of truth. Oh, what about this? This? That goes on my lap.
They're all on your lap.
Look at how packed this is. Are you sure this is gonna be safe?
No.
No?
We have to go on the highway. So when we merge, I have to tell you to check for me. I can't look at my left window and I can't look at my back window.
Okay.
On the bright side, if someone decides to tailgate us, like follow us really, really close because they're pissed off at us, we won't know because we can't see them.
So, the movers just called me. They said they already arrived in the location and we're still 10 minutes away. This is the situation of my room right now. This is the living room. This is the kitchen. This is the balcony. The movers are moving the bed and the sofa and we're just waiting here.
You look tiny.
We finally... Wait, this is not even all. We still have like a few boxes at home, right?
We have 4.
Yeah, 4 more boxes at home. This is 3 years of my life. No box. Can't wait to shower, not gonna lie. Lay it flat. Can you put the ends together? Roll it.
Roll.
Roll it.
Roll. I've never done this before.
This,
Yeah.
right? And then put the put it inside?
Who thought of this? Like genuinely. Would you like TikTok?
Yeah, of course.
My brain was not processing that at all.
Okay, what do you think?
I don't know. I mean, I'm just amazed. Okay. Thighs are still just squishy. It's okay. Your hair looks nice.
Really?
The color looks nice.
Okay. What is that?
Oh my god, that's plastic.
Okay, so this is how it's looking right now. It's still a little bit messy, but I guess it's okay. Hey guys, guess where we are?
IKEA.
We are at IKEA to buy some organizers and potentially a table, right?
I've been here way too much.
We came here, I think last week.
I think this is solid 1/10 of my life spent in IKEA. Hi, can you please get the medium vegetarian breakfast, please?
Thank you. Easy to join us.
Picking out covers right now. Can we make a decision, please? We've been here for too long. I thought it'd be like a little box. Check the code.
Does it say?
205. 100% polyester. Wow, we're paying $350 for 100% polyester. Say hi to the... 佢拍片嚟嘅。It's crazy.
Can you not do that? Oh! Damn.
Macan dalam kandang.
What do you want? So we lifted everything in, and then she said, I wanted a wall for the thumbnail, like a wall of boxes. So we just had to lift this together for you guys because she thought it'd be cool. You lift it back down.
I'll see you guys again when we're decorating this place like this. Bye.